Hey, what's going on, old birds? I'm Billy Patinas, and welcome to Disney Packing. You know, the episode series we're going to show you how to pack for the Disney trip for all you seniors is going to be absolutely fantastically amazing. We're going to show you all the amazing products that you need and all the rules and regulations on how to pack for Disney. Now let's get at it. What to wear? What to wear? Some seniors don't know what to wear for Disney. Disney is an absolutely amazing place, but in Florida, where Disney is located, it's going to be hot there, and many people will be sweating like sweaty grease monkeys. Some people are going to decide to pack jackets, snow boots, raincoats, heavy jackets, and even long sleeve shirts. Well, I got to tell you this, it is hot there. Trust me on that. I've been there 15,000.8 million times. You're going to need to pack some short sleeve shirts, short sleeve cargos and pants, anything short sleeve, even Speedos, a bathing suit, and bikinis. Anything short sleeve because you're going to need it, and wear bright colors because it reflects the sun. Any dark colors will interact the heat and make you hot and sweaty. Bright colors for the wind. Trust me, it's absolutely amazing. The TSA is absolutely fantastically amazing. They protect the homeland of the United States of America and make sure our airports are crisp, clean, and absolutely amazing. For some rules about the airplanes, you must not bring any sharp, pointy objects that could cause a paper cut or hurt any other individuals. Make sure you bring the right amount of liquids on an airplane. Nothing over 3.5 small liquids. Make sure they are travel size. And make sure, absolutely important and amazing thing, make sure the packages are not over 50 pounds. Carry-ons are absolutely fantastically amazing. They help subtract the weight from your suitcase into your bag. Some important things you want to bring on your carry-on that are absolutely amazing are your phone, your amazing pillow, your hoodie. That way you can sleep on the airplane just in case you're cold and you want to enjoy a nice little nap for that 2-hour ride. Some electronics, chargers, and any other amazing objects you want to bring on the plane to entertain you. They're absolutely fantastically amazing. And that concludes our amazing segment of Disney packing. I hope and make sure you're prepared to pack for Disney because it's going to be absolutely amazingly fun. You're going to be slipping, you're going to be sliding, you're going to be going down roller coasters, you're going to have many laughs, you're going to have many screams, and most importantly, you're going to have amazing senior memories because that's what all this is all about, to make memories and have fun, because Disney is a magical place where all dreams come true. This is Billy Patinas signing off.